What's up, guys? So all the way back on August the 12th, we received the software updates for the Surface Duo and the Surface Duo 2, which is over there, and I'm not going to take it out of its dock because I just put it in there. Now, these updates were not very substantial, right? They were pretty much just improving the device stability, whatever it is that in fact means, as well as giving us our security updates. Now, for me, these updates rolled out. I got a bunch of notifications from Twitter and so forth of people telling me this happens every time. Thanks to you lovely people that do that, because I see them very, very quickly and I'm able to react to it. I get my notifications. I go, cool. I grab both of my Duos 1 and 2. I search for an update. I see both of them. I install both of them. Off I go. Everything's fine. But after I do this, I start getting comments from people saying, hey, my Duo 1 has not gotten its update yet. In fact, I got so many comments saying this, I went ahead and I made a poll. You can see here 5 days ago, has your Surface Duo 1 received the August update? And no got 53% of the vote, 321 votes now as I am saying this. This is very, very odd. Now, similarly to in my News Radar episode where I talked about this briefly, I don't have a good answer for why this happened, for what's going on here. It doesn't seem to me like there was something wrong with the update and Microsoft pulled it after rolling it out for a little while, kind of what OnePlus and Google both did earlier on in the year. It seems to me like there was just some sort of error in the delivery. Something just went wrong and some devices just simply weren't getting it. It's very, very odd. But now I'm beginning to get lots of comments saying the opposite. My Duo 1 finally got the August update. August update has arrived today. This was yesterday in the US East, he says. Here's another one that he just got the update. I've got a couple more on Twitter as well. So if you are using Surface Duo 1, maybe try searching for that update again. It should be there now, hopefully. Let me know in the comments if that is the case for you. Comment down below if you were able to actually receive this update. Like I said earlier, not a huge deal because this is not a massive update. We appear to be kind of in a holding pattern now where probably not a lot's going to happen in terms of these updates until we get Android 12L, which can happen pretty much at any point now, September, October, November. We're definitely getting very, very close to the time that is reportedly supposed to happen. We don't know a ton about what this update should bring. We do think there's going to be a little bit of a visual overhaul. I've seen reports from Windows Central saying that perhaps we're going to see somewhat of the Windows 11 design aesthetic brought over, because right now Duo just pretty much looks like flat stock Android. We might be getting some of that Windows 11 design. Forget what Microsoft calls it. There's a name for it. It used to be Metro. It's something else now. Anyways, they're going to try to bring that over to Surface Duo. Apparently, maybe some new features as well. Hopefully some new inking features coming along. I'd love to see inking on the lock screen, for instance, something that's been rumored they've been wanting to bring for some time, as something that was actually there with Project Andromeda back in the day before that was scrapped and then Duo became a thing. At any rate, that August update, I think, should be coming to your Surface Duo. Like I said, let's talk about it down below. Guys, thanks for watching. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe on your way out. I will see you on the next one. And until next time, stay nerdy, my friends.